Hi, let us see how to create a project expenditure using the project that we have created. We have seen how to create a project template and project. Now we are going to create a project expenditure for the project that we have just created. The project name is R12 Financials. Go to pre-approved batch, enter the batch number. The ending date, change the class to miscellaneous transactions. Ensure that you create a expenditure type with the expenditure type class as you need. I've just created already, so go to organization. This is project organization, expenditure item date. It will default based on the configuration you have done in an implementation option. Now the project number, our project number is R12.2. Now the task number, we have created a two tasks. We will be in a position to see both the tasks, define page and design page. Let us select any one task number, define page, and expenditure type. I just created a consulting work, consulting. The quantity, since it is a currency, whatever you are going to enter, that will be an amount. Say example 2,500. What we are doing is we are creating a expenditure for the project that we have just created. Save the records. So it is a two-step process. The first we have to submit it, then we have to release it. Now this is ready to distribute the cost. What we have to do is we have just created a miscellaneous transaction. So go to PRC, distribute miscellaneous cost, or there's a simple one process is there, PRC, streamline, PRC, streamline interface, streamline process, submit interface. If you do this, what it will do is it will distribute the cost, it will generate the costing line, and also it will create a PRC, create accounting, and transfer to GL. It will do everything in one go, or we can run it separately. It is like a request set. What you do is let us run this, and we will see what all the child request is going to kick off. Now we will see that streamline option is, this is important, we have to select based on the expenditure type class we have chosen, we have to select. What I have selected is expenditure type as a consulting, which is tagged with miscellaneous cost expenditure type class. So I'm just creating a miscellaneous cost. Now what system will do is it will create child request as a distribute cost as well as a generate accounting events, and finally PRC create accounting. PRC create accounting probably may not run properly because there is a small difference, because the date is a very important in projects. We have created for 7th June, but today's date is 5th June. So what system does is, system is creating a miscellaneous cost. We will go through it one by one. Just to gain the time, what we have seen, go to expenditure, pre-approved batch, enter, and start entering your data for the project that we have just created. After that, we are running the submit interface streamline process. It is a group of requests, it's like a request set, the seeded one, and it is completed. We have to see whether it has generated anything. Click the view output, there is no exceptions, and it's good. System has created 2,500. How we can see this? Go to expenditure inquiry window, project. Our project is 12.2, 12.2. Click find. So we'll be in a position to see that whether cost got distributed. Yes, it would have got distributed. But the status is pending. Yes, once it is transferred to GL, it will be transferred, changed to accepted, and credit line will be created. Now let us see the status. Generate cost accounting should be running. Yeah, that is also completed. Good. Let us see whether anything has happened. Yes, system has completed successfully. That is also a good sign. What we will do is we just close this, come back and see it here now. Let us see, is there any differences? Yes, it has differences. There's a difference. System has created a credit line as well. It's all how system is debiting and crediting. It's all depends on the auto accounting. Auto accounting can be a state configuration or it can be PL/SQL, or we can even customize the workflow. Now it is status is accepted. Now go back and see the PRC create accounting process. PRC create accounting is running. What we have to do is, if system is not, if PRC create accounting successfully is running, means it will trigger the journal import into GL and it will update the subledger balances. Otherwise, run it PRC create accounting request separately with a date parameter, correct parameter as a date parameter. Okay. With this, what we have seen is how to create a project expenditure using the project that we have created, and also we have seen how to query it back, and also we have seen how system has created a debit and credit line, and what are the different status system has created at different point in time. Thanks for watching this. I'll come back to you in the next video with another project related article. Thanks for watching this. Shoot your question if you have any doubt. Thanks.